This is your Hamshack Preacher, AC2VE. I'm going to use my ham radio equipment to illustrate a Bible truth. Today I'm going to talk about my HF amplifier setup, mainly for field day. I have here my IC705. For today's demonstration, I have it set for 20 meter band FM, but I'm going into a dummy load. This is for illustration FM. I have a little stand here a friend of mine made. This is a little piece of wood that was cut at just the right angle to make it sit up real nice here for us to see. I have here the amplifier. It'll put out a maximum of 40 watts if I put 5 watts into it. And for a demonstration today, I'm using this as my watt meter, the MFJ book box here, and it's going into a little dummy load here we took out of a duplexer somewhere. Let's see here, we got it turned on already. Let's see what happens when I key the microphone. I got it set up for 3 watts of output. Here, goes into the amp. Let's see what comes up here. 35 watts. I got 3 watts in, 35 watts out, going into my dummy load. The send port on this radio can only sink a small amount of current. There's no way it can handle the required 2 relays in here to activate the push-to-talk relays in here. So what I need, okay, is something else to help. It doesn't matter if I've got this on the 7-volt battery or 12-volt supply. It doesn't work. It won't take. Something will happen. There's something wrong. It can't handle the load. Maybe it's back EMF. I don't know. All I know is if I try it up, I'm going to burn out this radio and I'll have to send it back to the factory. So what I need is a relay box interface. This thing like this. It only needs 0.3 milliamps to activate the internal relays in this box, okay, to carry the current load of the push-to-talk relays in here. This box does all the heavy lifting as far as the send port goes. It's not really a send port, it's a sync port, but they call it a send port. Okay, key it up, boom, 35 watts, no problem. Here's the illustration. Our goal is to be with God. However, the Bible says that all have fallen short. Like the 705 can't do the relays, and here we can't do it all either. We can't get there on our own. Now, here's the illustration I sometimes use. It's like at some point going from here to here. We're trying to get over to this box here. We're walking along here. Some people, they fall real short real quick. They fall right off the edge. Some people, they go a little further. Some people, oh, what's the gap? But nobody can make the gap all the way. We just can't do it. It's impossible. But all is not lost. At just the right time, when we were powerless and without strength, Jesus came to the rescue. He did all the heavy lifting. Like this box does all the heavy lifting. All right? He came to the rescue. He is our mediator between God and man. He is the one that took the burden on the cross. What are you going to do? Are you going to trust Jesus to do all the work? Or are you going to try to get to heaven on your own? Good luck with that. This is your Hamshack Preacher, 73 OM.